Choosing to use environmentally friendly construction techniques is the first step. No matter how big or what industry you are in, your business needs to follow the best practices for green building if you want to be successful and attract new clients. 1. Take a sustainable stance. By switching to a paperless filing system, implementing energy-efficient lighting, and installing low-flow plumbing, the internal corporate processes of the company will be increased while opportunities for R&D and recycling will be maximized. Eco-friendly business practices show that you value sustainability. 2. Comply with regional, international, and local standards. Maintaining current knowledge of green construction techniques is essential for remaining competitive, but it takes effort. Assign one of your teams the responsibility of keeping track of the most recent technological developments and deciding which are most advantageous for your business. If that is not possible, appoint a minimum of one representative from each significant department to be in charge of selecting the construction innovations that will be adopted. Without a solid base. A helpful resource for local, regional, and global green construction leadership is the World Green Building Council, World GBC, which has a global network of over 75 green building councils. 3. Decide on a grading system. Internationally recognized standards for sustainability and environmental performance are established through green building grading schemes. Try to comprehend and satisfy the requirements of one rating system before moving on to another if you are still interested in green building. The two most well-known and widely used grading systems in Europe are LEED, Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, created by the US Green Building Council, and BREEAM, the Building Research Establishment Environmental Assessment Method, developed in the UK. On the other hand, the Excellence in Design for Greater Efficiencies, EDGE, system is an international scheme for green building certification and a benchmark for developing nations. The International Finance Corporation, IFC, a division of the World Bank Group, founded it. 4. Invest in your education. Genuinely eco-friendly construction techniques might necessitate hundreds or even thousands of small adjustments over the course of the project. This implies that learning about modern methods may require extensive training for construction workers. The only reason for low adoption rates is that staff members are unaware of new strategies and are only speculating about them. No amount of design modifications will make a building environmentally friendly if the people who are building it break the rules and do not believe using green technologies is beneficial. Over the past 2 decades, academics have paid an increasing amount of attention to the design and evaluation of green buildings. The significance of different stakeholder perspectives as a social and non-technical research issue has been vastly overstated in the literature on sustainable development and green buildings, despite the advances in this field of study. Each GBC created its own distinct green building rating system, such as Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, LEED, in the US and Canada. The International Initiative for a Sustainable Built Environment, SB2, the Japanese Comprehensive Assessment System for Built Environment Efficiency, CASB, the Australian Green Star, and the British Building Research and Environmental Assessment Methodology, BREEAM. The World Green Building Council, WGBC, founded the New Zealand Green Building Council, NZGBC, in 2006 to promote green structures in New Zealand. The NZGBC oversees a number of rating systems, including the National Australian Building Environmental Rating System, NABERSANS, Green Star, Home Star, and HomeFit. A method for arranging environmental data, an objective assessment of building performance, and a gauge of progress towards sustainability are all provided by green building rating systems. They assess a building's energy use, indoor air quality, water efficiency, waste management, and material utilization using the same standards and criteria. To sum up, Consumer Trading Organization Limited will keep reviewing and hosting new concepts.